Hello, friends, and welcome to virtual math class. And today we're going to practice subtraction word problems and using strategies to solve those word problems. The cub. The student will know the meaning of subtraction. The student will understand the steps of subtracting problems. The students will be able to solve subtraction word problems and identify the correct number sentence. Vocabulary. So we have subtract or subtraction. And remember, yesterday we said that subtract or subtraction means to take away. And you show taking away by placing an X or crossing it out. The minus sign, a symbol that means to subtract. So anytime you see the minus sign, it means to subtract or take away. Okay, let's practice with this word problem. Okay. There are 5 ladybugs. 2 ladybugs fly away. How many ladybugs are left? So I have to figure out which number sentence matches my picture, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is, just like we did with pictures, I'm going to count to see how many ladybugs were there first. So I have 1, 2, 3, oops, Blank's made a mistake, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm going to go and check my number sentences. Okay, so my first number should be 5 because there were 5 ladybugs first. So I see 5 here, so I'm going to put a check mark. Okay, now I know minus means to subtract, and subtract means to take away. So I'm going to look to see, okay, well, how many were taken away? And I'm going to count 1, 2. Okay. So 2 were taken away. And so this looks like it says minus, which means take away 2. So I can put a check mark here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take away 4 because the 4th ladybug was taken away. And I'm going to take away the number 5 because the 5th ladybug was taken away. Okay. Just like we did with the pictures. Okay. Now I'm going to see how many are left. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I see that this has equals 3. And remember, equals means the same as. Okay. So far it looks like 5 minus 2 equals 3 is correct because first there were 5 ladybugs minus or take away 2 because 2 ladybugs flew away equals 3 because there are 3 ladybugs left. Okay. Now let's go and check this one before we choose our answer. Okay. So here it says 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay. So it says that this is saying that there were 4 ladybugs first. Were there 4 ladybugs first? No. So I can put an X here because that is not correct. Minus 1, meaning take away 1. Okay. Now, did they take away 1 ladybug? No, they took away 2, so I can put an X there. But it does say equals 3, but our number sentence here is not correct because we did not have 4 ladybugs first, and we did not only take away 1. So the correct answer is A, which is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now that I've shown you how to identify a number sentence, you're going to practice with your teacher on how to do that, okay? But let's review on what we learned. The students will know the meaning of subtraction, which means to take away. The students will understand the steps of subtracting problems, which means you count how many were there first, count how many were taken away, and count how many were left. And the students will be able to solve subtraction word problems and complete the number sentence, okay, which is going to be your job. Make sure you do your best. Remember, minus means to subtract or take away. Okay, and the way that you take away or show taken away is placing an X or crossing it out. Good luck.